In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the missing MSVCR100.dll error message in your Windows 11 computer. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and from the search engine, you're just going to type in MSVCR100.dll space download and hit enter. Then what you need to do is click on this top search result, this dll-files.com website. And then what we're going to do is just scroll down here and we'll have the option to download this. Now you need to make sure you download the right version for your Windows computer. So if you're on a 32-bit computer, you need to make sure you download the 32-bit version. If you're on a 64-bit computer, then you need to make sure you download the 64-bit. If you're not sure what version of Windows you have, you can just come over to your start menu, search for system information, and then click on this tab here. And next to system type, you can see this x64. That's because I'm on a 64-bit computer, but if you're on a 32-bit, then just go ahead and download the 32-bit file. So because I'm on a 64-bit, I'm going to download this file here. You may get this ad pop up, just go ahead and ignore this, press X, and then just give that a few seconds while it downloads to your computer. Now it's likely going to download in this zip file, so what we're going to do is just open this up like so, and then what you'll need to do is click on extract all at the top here, and select where you want to extract this file to. I'm just going to keep it in my downloads folder, and as you can see, we now have the extracted file. So what we're going to do is just right click on this DLL file, click on show more options, and then press copy. Then from the left hand side, we're going to click on my computer, double click on your C drive, scroll all the way down to Windows and click on this, scroll down again until you see a folder called System32 and double click this, and then we're going to right click somewhere in this white space, click on show more options and press paste. So now that we've pasted the file on here, if you're on a 32-bit computer, then all of the steps are done and that should now be working. If you're on a 64-bit computer like myself, then what we need to do is click on this back arrow, scroll down again and click on syswow64, and in this white space here, we're going to right click again, click on show more options and hit paste. And once you've done that, that should have now fixed any .dll error messages you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.